In this picture, you can see the structures of a neuron. And the cell body, which is at the very top, holds most of the organelles. And the dendrites, which are outside of the cell body, receive signals from other neurons. And then the axon is a terminal that sends signals to other cells at the synapse. And the synapse is the junction between an axon and other cells.
At resting potential, concentration of potassium is highest inside the cell, and concentration of sodium is highest outside the cell. Voltage-gated ion channels are activated by changes in the membrane potential near the channel. Changes in the membrane potential occur because neurons contain gated ion channels that open and or close the stimuli. When action potential is generated, voltage-gated sodium channels open first, and then sodium flows into the cell. This causes the membrane potential to increase. Then the voltage-gated ion sodium channels become inactivated and voltage-gated potassium channels open, and potassium flows out of the cell. When gated potassium channels open, potassium diffuses out of the cell, making the inside of the cell more negative. This causes hyperpolarization.
When sodium channels open and sodium diffuses into the cell, this is depolarization. At the end of the presynaptic neuron is the calcium ion channel that brings calcium in, and that triggers the vesicles of neurotransmitters to move towards the membrane and diffuse to the next neuron.